at Via School, and we are going to talk about tornadoes and how they're very dangerous.
Meteorologists can predict when and where tornadoes might form when weather conditions are likely to result in a tornado. But meteorologists announced a tornado watch. When a tornado has been spotted, a tornado warning is issued.
Water droplets in the air make whirling winds of a tornado visible. The visible column is called a funnel cloud. A funnel cloud may be shaped like a cone, a pillar, or a tube. It can range from a few feet to hundreds of feet wide. The wind usually turns into counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere.
1,000 tornadoes are reported nationwide. A tornado is a violent rotating column of air extending from a thunderstorm to the ground. The most violent tornadoes are capable of tremendous destruction with wind speeds up to 300 miles per hour.
They can destroy large buildings too.